Welcome to this step-by-step guide on transforming text into an annotation in WordPress. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to turn any piece of text into a styled, interactive annotation on your website. This is a simple process that only takes a few clicks but adds a professional touch to your content. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once it loads, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the login option there. Click on it. On the login page, you'll notice several ways to access your account. The quickest and most secure way is to continue with a major third-party provider, such as Google. Click on that option, choose your account, and you'll be logged in without needing to remember another password. Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click on it to enter the main site editor. The site editor is where all the magic happens. Here you can modify pages, posts, and blocks that make up your website. Take a moment to locate the page or post where you want to add your annotation. Next, find the text or paragraph that you'd like to transform. Click on that section to make it active. You'll notice a small toolbar appearing right above the text. This is your main editing area. In that toolbar, look for the icon that represents a paragraph block. Clicking this icon will open a list of formatting options. Scroll through these options carefully until you find one labeled Annotation. Now, click on Annotation. Instantly, your selected text will be transformed into an annotation format. This change makes the text stand out visually and can include extra context or notes for your readers. It's an excellent way to emphasize important information or provide additional details without cluttering the main content. If you'd like to customize the annotation further, you can adjust its style, color, or placement just like any other block element in WordPress. Spend a moment experimenting until it looks exactly how you want. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to save your work. Look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. This ensures that your new annotation is permanently added to your page and will appear live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully transformed regular text into an annotation inside WordPress. This simple yet powerful feature helps highlight key details, explain concepts more clearly, and make your content more interactive for visitors. By following these easy steps, you can enhance both the appearance and usability of your website without touching any code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and practical WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.